Okay, hi guys and welcome back. I am going to do a updo tutorial for you all tonight on my locks. However, I do want to give a disclaimer that I will be using filler to kind of like help add fullness to my locks because my locks are fine and they are thin. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm using is the Cuban twist hair, and this is just 2 strands of hair. I'm going to take it, fold it again on each other, and then fold it again. So I'm going to take a rubber band to kind of like help keep it shaped. However, if you have maybe a net or something, that'll work too. Just stuff it in there and then tie the net in a knot. So this is what my filler looks like. So what I've done is I've sectioned my hair in half, a top half and a back half. When I got here to the back, I divided my hair into 3 sections. So this is my first section, second section, and my third section. With my third section, what I did was I went ahead and loosely corn rolled it down. What I'm going to do is to take my filler. You want to make sure that your filler is the length of the section that you have, because you don't want it to be too long and you don't want it to be too short. I'm going to take some hairpins. I'm going to take a hairpin at the top to hold that. And I'm going to take a hairpin down here at the nape of my neck. And we're going to pin it going upwards. Pin it where you're comfortable. Alright. So now we have 2 sections. So what we're going to do is a basket weave effect. So to cover up this top section, you're going to take left side, right side. Pick up some more hair from the left side. Move it over to the right side. Take some hair from the right side. Move it over to the left side. Take some hair from the left side. Move it over to the right side. Take some more hair from the right side. You want to make sure it's evened out because you don't want to see the filler. Am I covering the filler up? Yeah. But this doesn't look like a basket weave. Can you all still see? Left side, right side. Left side. Right side. Left side. Take some on my right side. Left side. Okay. So there we have our basket weave, and what we'll do is take another pin, slide it in up at an angle. Take another pin, slide it up at an angle. Okay. Now we got a little basket weave bun going on back there. Right? Let me check the back to make sure it's okay. And it is. Okay. So then we're gonna take our top let's see. Where is this coming from? And you'll need to pin any loose locks that you may have. Pinning this up at an angle. All right, so for the top, let's see here. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna just take this side, loosely roll this side here. Let's see how that looks. And we're gonna pin that. I'm gonna put another pin on in the hair that's falling. quite a few locks that's falling. Okay, so now this front, because when I got my retie, my loctician, put a part in my head. I have a dry spot, and I'm just using some hair food oil just to lubricate that area. Not putting much, just a little bit so it won't be ashy. So she was not ashy. Let's see here. And to make these stay, we'll just spritz them. We'll put a little spray our hands and then just bring those down. All right, so let's see what we can do with this hair. Of course, you know, this is my problem section. We're gonna I'm just loosely rolling this section as well.